What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a very special video, a very important video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can keep your battery health 100% for a much longer time. Also, I'm going to share some of the myths that are in the market regarding the battery health. So, in this video, I'm gonna cover a few things. The first section of the video will be about some of the tips that you can apply to your device to enhance the battery life, and in the second section I will be sharing those myths. Now, without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. So, if you want to keep your battery health of your device 100% for a much longer time, you need to follow 2080 rule. Now, what is 2080 rule? The 2080 rule is that when you are around 20%, when your battery is around 20%, put it on charging. Never let it go below 20%. And when it came around 80% or touches 80%, remove the charging, and this way you will be able to enhance the battery health. You will be able to get a much better battery life and able to give a much better life to your battery of your iPhone. What you can also do is you can go into the settings over here. From here you can go into the battery and into the charging. You can turn on the optimized charging if the charge limit is not available on your iPhone. But if you do have this option, you can go for the 80% or 85% or 90%. 80 and 85% and 90% are the most recommended one. 80 is the most recommended one, but because I do go out every single day, so for me that is 90%. But this way you can enhance the battery life. Also, more importantly, never use cheap chargers for your iPhone. You spend $1,000, $1,200 on your iPhone, and you go for the cheap chargers. Cheap chargers can ruin the battery life of your device. So always use good chargers from the companies that support Apple. Like, there are chargers that are MFI, made for iPhone. You can check what chargers are made for iPhone and you can buy those chargers. Here is a bonus tip. Like, if you want to get an Apple charger that can be expensive for you, you can go for any third party charger like Anchor, Bezos, but never go for Apple copy, China copy chargers, something like that. Those can ruin the battery health of your device. Also, when you are charging your iPhone, don't use it. Like, if you have any sort of emergency, you can use it obviously, but just for fun, scrolling Insta, playing game, I do not recommend you to use your device while charging. Keep your device idle while charging. Apple themselves gave a lot of tips and tricks on their website to maximize the battery life and the lifespan. Like, if you follow these things, there are also few tips like you can optimize your settings. Now, you guys know that I did a lot of videos in which I talk about the settings that you can do, so you can check out those videos. Also, you can enable a low power mode while charging. This can also help a lot to keep your battery safe. So these are some of the things that you can do. You can customize the location and background settings. I did a lot of videos. Every single video is on the channel. You can go and check out those videos. But these are some of the tips to improve the battery life and keep your battery 100% for a much longer time. Now, talking about the myth. Now, there is a myth, and this is something that I get a lot also from you guys, that updating the device is actually ruining the battery health. I get a lot of from you guys that I updated my device and suddenly 2% drop or 3% drop. Well, whenever you update your device, it never hurts the battery health. Yeah, updating your device will not kill the battery health. This is a myth. Actually, what happens, your battery may be already dropped 2 or 3%, and when you update it recalculates that, and this is why you might be getting 2% or 3% sudden drop. But in genuine, updating devices not affect the battery health. If you follow me, guys, like, I am always on betas. Like, for example, if I go to and show you that I am also using iOS 18.5 beta, right now. As you can see, I'm always on betas. I am on iOS 18.5. That is not even out yet. So betas, these stuff not affect your battery health. It's just recalculate. So this is a myth. So also just follow these tips that I shared in this video. You will be able to get a much better battery life. Well, this is all from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.